Imagine walking through the dusty ruins of an old house in Kufa, Iraq. The year is roughly 1000 AD. Workers are clearing debris when they stumble upon a hidden room. Inside, a massive mortar and pestle made of pure gold, strange glass vials, and ancient manuscripts. This was the long-lost laboratory of a man who had vanished 2 centuries earlier. A man who spent his life trying to turn lead into gold, but ended up doing something much more incredible. He invented the science of chemistry. Was he a sorcerer, a secret agent, or the world's first true scientist? Today, we go back to the golden age of Islam to meet the man known in the West as Geber, Jabir bin Hayyan. To understand the genius, we must look at the man. Jabir bin Hayyan was born in the year 720 AD in the city of Turs, Iran. His father was a pharmacist and a loyal supporter of the Abbasid dynasty, but politics in those days was a dangerous game. His father was caught by Umayyad spies and executed, leaving young Jabir to find his own path. He eventually returned to Iraq, settling in Baghdad during its peak as the world's center of knowledge. Because of his brilliance, he was welcomed into the highest circles, becoming a close friend of the powerful Barmakid family and the physician for the legendary Caliph Harun ar. It was Jabir who urged the Caliph to bring ancient Greek scientific books from Constantinople to be translated into Arabic. But peace didn't last. When the Barmakid family fell from power in a violent political purge, Jabir had to flee for his life. He returned to Kufa, living in secrecy, hiding from the Caliph's men. His laboratory remained hidden for 200 years, a silent witness to the experiments that would change history. Before Jabir, chemistry didn't exist as we know it today. It was only alchemy, a mysterious mix of primitive crafts and mystical spells. People used it for mummification or making glass, but many were obsessed with a legend, the elixir. They believed this magical liquid could cure any disease and transform cheap metals like tin or iron into shimmering gold. Jabir was fascinated by this idea, but he approached it differently. While others used magic charms, Jabir used his hands and his mind. He was the one who moved chemistry out of the world of superstition and into the world of hard science. He studied under masters like Imam Jafar, Ashadik, and mastered languages like Greek and Latin to read every scientific text available. He realized that nature followed laws that could only be discovered through work. He told his students, the first essential in chemistry is that you should perform practical work and conduct experiments. He who does not experiment will never attain mastery. This was a revolutionary shift. He wasn't just a dreamer, he was the world's first true experimentalist. So, what did he actually find inside that secret lab? Jabir designed equipment that we still see in chemistry labs today. He perfected the alembic 4 distillation and created tools out of glass and metal to mix and heat chemicals with precision. His chemical discoveries were nothing short of miraculous for the 8th century. He was the first to create Aqua Regia, or royal water, a mixture of acids so powerful it could actually dissolve gold. Think about that for a moment. He took the most eternal metal known to man and found the liquid that could turn it into a solution. He discovered sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and hydrochloric acid. Without these, modern industry simply would not exist. But he didn't stop at theories. Jabir was a master of applied chemistry. He invented ways to waterproof cloth so it wouldn't get wet. He formulated a special varnish to protect iron from rust. He even figured out how to make gold-colored ink using iron pyrite, so people could write beautiful golden books without the massive cost of real gold. He was the first to distinguish between acids and alkalis, explaining that when they meet, they neutralize each other to form salts. From tanning leather to dyeing hair and making glass, Jabir's fingerprints are on almost every industrial process of his time. Jabir bin Hayyan was also a deep thinker and an educator. He believed that science was a spiritual journey. He taught that a teacher has a sacred duty to test a student's character before sharing the secrets of nature. He told his teachers to guide students toward sciences that fit their age and ability. And to the students, he demanded humility. He said that a student must be gentle with their teacher and listen carefully, for the wealth of a teacher is their knowledge, and it can only be given to a mind that is calm and ready. He was a prolific writer, credited with over 500 treatises. His books, like Al-Qawash al-Kabir and the Book of 70, weren't just popular in the East. They were translated into Latin and became the standard textbooks for European scientists for centuries. In the West, they didn't call him Jabir, they called him Geber. His work was the foundation that the European Renaissance was built upon. Over the centuries, some people tried to claim Jabir never existed. Some said he was a Greek who converted to Islam. Others, like the French scientist Berthelot, doubted the authenticity of his Latin books. But history has a way of revealing the truth. The discovery of original Arabic manuscripts proved that Jabir was indeed an Arab from the Asd tribe, true son of the Islamic Golden Age. Jabir bin Hayyan never found the magical elixir to live forever, and he never found a way to turn every piece of lead into gold. But in his search, he found something much more valuable. He found the method of modern science. He proved that through patience, observation, and rigorous experiment, humans can unlock the secrets of the universe. He is the father of chemistry, the man who turned the darkness of superstition into the light of knowledge. As we look at the modern world, from the medicine we take to the materials we use, we are all, in some way, the students of Jabir bin Hayyan.